Will the heavy rain and snowfall in California replenish groundwater, reservoirs, and Lakes Mead? I know the reservoirs will fill quickly, but recalling the pictures of Lake Mead's water lines makes me curious if one heavy season is enough to restore the lakes and groundwater. How much water will it take to return to normal levels if not? The answer: there's talk about allowing parts of California's Central Valley farmland to flood each winter, which was a normal occurrence prior to modern flood control. The purpose would be to replenish the groundwater, which has been severely overpumped. Most of the reservoirs in California are now above their historical average and set to reach full capacity as the snow melts. Lake Mead, sadly, has not been helped all that much. This is an interactive summary of several reservoirs. You can adjust the date to September 1st to see what it looked like before the rainy season. The calendar is on the upper right. The default view is the most current. https://keg.water.ca.gov/resap/risconmain https://keg.water.ca.gov/resap/risconmain. Trinity is still pretty low because it is mostly replenished by snowmelt rather than rain. Lake Oroville and Lake Shasta are two large reservoirs that improved remarkably in one rainy season. This is a cool animation that shows how the year went so far. https://engaging-data.com/filling-california-reservoir https://engaging-data.com/filling-california-reservoir. Follow this channel for more Santa Explains. And if you have any questions I should answer, just write them down in the comments.